So I'm going to show you how to provision Amazon EC2 instances by using Terraform. Okay, so to do that, first let us log into the AWS Management Console. So once you log in, this is how it looks like. So let's go to the EC2 dashboard to see what and all the instances that are currently there. Uh, So you can see like currently total there are three EC2 instances are there. In that two are in terminated state and one is in running state. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to install Terraform in this particular EC2 instance. Okay. To do that, first I need to connect to this particular EC2 instance. So let me connect to this instance. Just copy this command. Open. Okay. Okay. CD downloads. Okay, now we logged into the instance. Let me switch user to root. Okay, now I logged in as root into this Linux EC2 instance. So now we have to download that package of Terraform. So to do that, first let's go to the official website of the Terraform. Uh, So the official website is terraform.io. Okay, so this is the official website of this Terraform, guys. So by using this Terraform, we can use infrastructure as a code to provision and manage any cloud infrastructure or any cloud service. If you want to provision, we can do that by using this Terraform. Not only on AWS, we are on any of the on any other cloud service providers. We can use infrastructure as a code to provision and manage the any of the service. Okay, that is the main use of this Terraform. So now what we have to do is we need to download the command line interface. That particular package we need to install. So currently I'm going to install it on the Linux operating system. So I'm going to copy this link. So now let us go back to the terminal. I'm going to download that package. So now let's just check whether it got downloaded. So you can see that particular package got downloaded. It is in the .zip compressed file format. Okay, now we need to unzip it. Unzip and okay. It's saying command unzip not found. Looks like this unzip command is not installed. So I'm going to install it. Apt install unzip. Okay, so now that particular command is getting installed, guys. Yeah, now it is successfully installed. Now I'm going to unzip it. Unzip is nothing but we are extracting these compressed files. Okay, now we have extracted. So now we can see like there is one more file called as Terraform, which this is the executable file. To execute this particular file, we need to insert dot slash in front of it. But to do this all the time, it would be difficult. So we can do one more thing, guys. What I'm going to do is now I'm going to check what is the present working directory. You can see like the present working directory as root's home directory. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I will set the path to this home directory. Uh, so to do that, I will explain you guys what this particular command do. So what this particular command will do is it will set the path to the present working directory. So what is the present working directory? Root's home directory is the present working directory. So it will set the path to this particular slash root, and it will write that path to this file called as dot bash underscore profile. Okay. In order to make it working, the one more command we have to execute is. Okay, so now we can execute this Terraform executable file without giving any dot slash in front of it and all. So I'll just check whether the Terraform got installed successfully or not. So now we can see like Terraform got installed successfully, and the version of it is v0.12.25. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create one directory, Terraform underscore lab. So and I'm going inside the and I'll go inside this directory. Okay, here I'm going to create one file called as ec2.tf. .tf extension is nothing but the Terraform file extension. Okay, so now I'm going to create this file, and here you can see here this I'm going to copy this block of code uh, inside this file. So what is the use of this code? Sorry, looks like it was not copied properly. Okay, I have copied this code. So what is the use of this code? Now I'm going to show you. Now I'm going to tell. Uh, like currently we are going to provision the EC2 instance on AWS, right? That means the provider is AWS. That is the reason we have given the provider as AWS. And next one is the access key and the secret key. In order to access any of the resource, any of the services on the AWS management console, definitely we need some login credentials. So those login credentials are nothing but this access key and the secret key. So no, we need to give this access key and secret key. From where we need to get this access key and secret key, I'm going to show you in couple of minutes. And the other thing is the region. Region is nothing but under which region we are going to create that EC2 instance. We are going to give that region name here. So currently here it was given like US and US dash east dash one. So but our region is different. So now I need to find out what is our region to check that. So currently you can see the region that is set is Mumbai. So now the region. So if you see in this URL, you can see the region. We need to copy this one. Okay, and go to the file, and we are already in insert mode. So now I will change the region to that particular region. And access key and secret access key still I didn't give, because I will show you like from where we can get this access key and the secret access key. Okay, a secret key. So next one is the resource. So what is the resource we are going to provision? AWS instance, right? So leave it as it is, and here we can give the name, whatever the name you want, you can give. I just gave the resource name as example. Okay, and next one is AMI. AMI is not AMI is something like this. Currently here you can see one ID, one AMI ID, but it varies from region to region. So we need to find out. Currently we are in a region like AP South hyphen one, right? That means we are near, we have selected the region like Mumbai data center we have selected. So it may varies. To see that what is the AMI ID we can use, first let's go to the EC2 dashboard. So currently we are under it only. One second, guys. Okay, so just click on launch instance. So now my requirement is anyways we are going to provision the free tier eligible one instance only. I will just take an example, AMI ID, whichever ID is available here. I will take this AMI ID. Okay, now let's go back to the terminal, and I'm going to give this particular AMI ID. So here something else, and keep it in mind, guys, like from region to region these AMI IDs will vary. If you are giving the AMI ID from some other region, and if you are copying and pasting here in this region, it won't work. Okay, so we need to be specific whenever we are giving this AMI ID. Okay, and the instance type we are going to provision is free tier eligible T2.micro, right? So leave it as it is. So what are the fields that are still left we need to fill is access underscore key and the secret key. So now I am going to show you from where we can get this. To check that, first we have to go to the service called as IAM. IAM is nothing but the identity and access management console. By using this service, like we can manage the users, like we can create new users, so we can create new groups, and we can assign some policies to them. So all the such kind of activities we can do by using this identity and access management. So if you see from the left panel, you can see there is an option called as users. So here currently there are no users available. So let's try creating one new user. Just click on this add user button, and and just give the name, some username you just give. I'll give it as my name itself, Naveen. Okay, and I'm going to, and the access type I'm going to give this programmatic access. The main benefit of giving this programmatic access is like whatever the username we are creating, this particular user can access the resources from the AWS management console, whichever available on the AWS management console from the command line interface also. Not only logging into this as AWS management and accessing the resources, you can access the resources directly from the command line interface also. In order to do that, I'm giving the access type as the programmatic access. Next, click on next permissions. So here you can see that the permission called as Amazon EC2 full access policy is available. So now I'm going to assign this particular policy to this user called as Naveen, which I am creating just now. So tags, we no need to give any tags, just click on next review. So like here you can see that this particular user called with name Naveen is getting created with the policy, with the EC2 full access policy. So let's create this user. So now here you can see like this user, the user called as Naveen got created, and this is the access key, and this is the secret key by using which this particular user can access the EC2 the EC2 dashboard from the command line interface. So these are the keys which we need to copy. Okay, so let's copy this, And one more thing, guys, it is not recommended to share this access key and the secret access key because of the security reasons. Okay, because you should keep them as confidential. It is not recommended to share this access key and the secret access key in the public paths. Okay, so please be careful. So I just copied the access key. I'll change the name here. And in the same way, if you click on show, you can okay, and secret access key also I'm going to copy. So now I have copied the access key and the secret access key. These are the keys which we need to give in that EC2.tf file. So let's go back to the terminal. What is the one first I copied? I copied access key, right? Okay. In the same way, I'm going to copy the secret key also. These are nothing but these are the login credentials by using which that particular user can access the AWS console. That's it, guys. Rest of the entries, like we already made all the necessary changes. Now I'm going to save this file. Okay, and now we had already initialized, right? No, we have not initialized it yet. Now let me initialize this file. Uh, Terraform init. So this Terraform has been successfully initialized. So this particularly we have initialized this particular directory. So from this under this directory, from this directory we can perform all the necessary actions. Can take all the necessary operations we can perform from this directory. So the next command is like whatever the infrastructure as a code we had given in that ec2.tf file. In order to get that executed, the command we have to give is terraform apply. Okay, so now it is going to perform all these actions, uh, and so the plan is it is going to start one EC2 instance, and now it is asking us for the permission. Do you want to perform these actions? Just give yes here and hit enter. So you can see here like AWS instance is getting created. Now let's go back to the terminal and let's monitor there whether any new instance is getting created or not. See, you can see here one initialized. Currently, it is in pending state. It is getting initialized. Earlier, this particular instance is not there. Now this particular um whatever the commands we have executed, terraform apply and terraform apply, we just issued that command, right? And because of that command, this particular EC2 instance is getting initialized, and currently it is in still in pending state. If you want to confirm, like you can see the instance ID. What is the instance ID number here? I015CB, right? It is starting with I015CB. The rest of the instances are having the different number. Okay, different ID. So but for this ID, what is the what is the instant ID for this particular instance which got created just now is 015CB. Just remember that number, guys. Let's go back to the backend and check now. See, you can see here ID. This is the ID which it has created just now. Okay, this is how we can create new Amazon EC2 instances from the Terraform command line interface. Okay, now we can do one more thing, like whatever the instance it has created just now, I want to destroy that particular instance. That means I want to terminate that instance. How we can do it? Do that is Terraform and give the and execute the command as and give the command as destroy. Okay, so if you execute this command, Now what it is going to do is it is going to destroy. See, if you see the plan, what it is doing, it is not adding any additional, it is not changing any instance, but it is going to change one, it is going to destroy one instance. That's what the plan now is. Okay, and it is asking, do you want to destroy the all the resources? Okay, whatever the resources we have created by using this script, by using that file, EC2.tf. Now it is asking, do you want to destroy that particular EC2 instance? Now I just give yes, yes, I want to destroy it. Okay. Now let's go back to the terminal and see. See, earlier you can see like the instance with this ID which it has created earlier. Now I have destroyed it right from the back end. Now let's refresh it and see what is. See, you can see here it is going to shutting down state. That means it is going to destroy this particular instance with this ID which it has created earlier. So like this, by using the Terraform command line interface, we can create Amazon EC2 instances, and at the same time we can destroy those instances also. And not only this, guys, we can perform so many other activities also by using this Terraform. This is just for basic knowledge. This is just for the beginners, like who is just getting started with this Terraform. That's it, guys. This is all I want to show you in this video. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please do subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. And in my coming video, like, I'm going to show you how to install the AWS command line interface, from where you can manage all these all from where you can manage all the AWS services. And in that video I'm going to show you like how to manage the one particular service called as the S3, which is a storage service on the AWS. So that's all, guys. Hope you guys really like this video. Thank you so much, and please keep supporting me. Have a nice day. Bye.